CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Compare and contrast common types of input and output device interfaces. SFP. SFP stands for Small Form Factor Pluggable, but don't let the long name scare you. At its core, an SFP is just a modular network port that lets you choose the type of connection you want to use. Pretty cool, right? While it might not show up on your home router, SFP is a big deal in enterprise networks and data centers. It gives network engineers the flexibility to plug in different modules, depending on the type of network connection they need. Here's how it works. Some network devices come with a small empty slot called an SFP port. On its own, the port doesn't do anything, it needs an SFP module to be useful. An SFP module is a small, removable piece that slides into an SFP port and determines what kind of cable and connection type the device will support. If you want to connect to another device using a fiber optic cable, which is great for long-distance, high-speed data, you would insert a fiber SFP module. On the other hand, if you're just connecting over a short distance using a standard Ethernet cable, you would insert an Ethernet SFP module instead. The key thing to remember is this: the port itself stays the same, but what it does depends entirely on the type of SFP module you plug into it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.